Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Woldolf's Garage. Today we're going to be putting some air horns on the EcoDiesel, so stay tuned and check it out. Alright, so I found these air horns at O'Reilly's. I think they were like 50 bucks. It was just a little kit. It came with a little bitty compressor and then 2 plastic air horns. So I just figured, hey, why not? It's pretty cheap. I'll see what happens. I put them under the, it's actually behind the front bumper. There was 2 mounting points that I found, and I was able to attach the air horns to those spots. So let's check it out.
All right, so hopefully you can see that all right. There is the 2 air horns. There was a couple spots there in the bumper. I was able to take those old bolts out, put the new bolts in, and then they just slid on there. With the compressor right there, it said to make sure it was facing up like that. So that's how I put it in there. The hose is coming down, it splits, and then it goes to both horns. I've had it on there for a little bit. It drove through the rain, all that stuff, and it worked out fine. And then the power wire, I've got it grounded right up there, and then they got the other wire for power running over to the side and then going up top side. I got it put into the fuse box. It's kind of accessory. I think it's always on. And then I ran a switch up under the dash, and I'll show you guys that one now.
All right, and here is that button. So let me get inside. So I wanted something kind of flush and kind of didn't stand out. So I went and got one of these little metal buttons. And then I drilled a hole. I ran the wires through there, and then it completed the connection with the air horn. And sounds pretty sweet, I know. So anyways, there's the air horn. The wiring under the hood, let me get that for you. So all I did is I ran it straight up from the bumper, and then it went to, so I tapped into the battery here, ran this down, got a fuse on it, and then it went around to the relay, which took a while, and I had to do a little bit of extra research in there. Had a jumper wire, and there was all kinds of different stuff. But all I did was Google that, and I was able to pull up a wiring diagram because the one that they gave me with the package, it sucked. So I had to redo that one, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. All right, so short and sweet, that was it for this episode of Woldolf's Garage. You guys have a good rest of your day and tune in next time.